Hello traders, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you all so much for subscribing to my YouTube channel. I really appreciate. I can see the channel is growing massively. So in this video today, we're going to be talking how to read a support and resistance. So I'm going to take my time to explain exactly how to read a support and resistance so you can use it exactly in the trading. So first of all, as you can see, we have on the screen here, this is where the market is in a downtrend. We know that the market is in a downtrend, the market is making lower highs and lower lows. So in this scenario, you're going to be our support, it's going to be our resistance. So we're going to wait for price to come right into this our support and resistance zone. And then we wait for our confirmation and then we sell. So definitely it's going to be our new support. It's going to be our new resistance. So this is the intro of how I'm going to be reading our support and resistance. So I'm going to be explaining to you guys in details how to do it exactly on the chart as well. So stay tuned for more examples. So I'm going to delete all the drawing tools. We're going to start from scratch so we can get the exact explanation of what I mean. So now reading the support and resistance can be really tricky in our trading. You know, this is one of the most difficult things I was finding difficult in my trading a few years back. So it's one of the most underrated topic people don't like to talk about. So, but in this video, I'm going to dive deep into it so we're going to get a deep clue. All right. So we're going to take the example for a buy market. Okay. So when the market is in the buy, for a buy market, forgot about the B. When the market is in the buy market, we're going to look at this low for here's our support, here's our resistance, this area. So when the market is in the sell market, here's our support, here's our resistance. So as you can see from the example we make, we have two forces come into play. We have the buyers and then we have the seller. So what is our job as a trader? We are looking at this key area, this support and resistance zone for our trading opportunity. We need to pay more attention to this area whereby we can be looking for our opportunity. So, you know, many people find it so difficult. Like for instance, if the market is in uptrend, people will be thinking, no, I think I can be buying from here. No, you don't want to be buying from here because if you buy it from here, the market gonna come way down back and then start to move up. So if you buy from here, you'll be losing money from this area. By the time you want to realize yourself, the market have coming right into our zone, and then the market will push up. So, but what if I tell you that the easiest way and the best way you can do? So let's take this example. For instance, the market make the 1 2 3 move. Here is our support. Here is our resistance. So what if you only buy when market come to our support and resistance? This is going to give you a low risk to reward entry. That is why we have the scenario say buy low, sell high. So meaning you only wait for the price to come right into this our zone, whereby is our support and resistance zone. So you can say whenever price come into this area, we call it our area of value. Whenever price come to these levels, this is where we're going to be looking for a buy opportunity. What if we make this example and put this in our trading? Trust me, you're going to see a massive growth because, like I mentioned for this previous example, you don't want to be buying in this area and then the market push down. No, you don't want to be doing such thing because when the market, if you buy from me, the market going to push down and then the market before the market start to pick up to go to the upside. So you see, you'll be losing money from this end until the market will come down and then start to go into your direction. So what if you buy from here and then the market push up? So you're gonna have more pips you're gonna be making than if you buy from here. So the best way. So now you'll be asking, hey Steve, what is the best way? The best way is to wait for the trade to come right into this zone, into this support and resistance zone where you can buy and then you see you make a profit. So you're gonna be our new support, you're gonna be our new resistance for a buy market. Then you the same rule. See whenever price comes to this my area of value, my support and resistance, this we're gonna be looking to buy. Once you buy, the market push up again. So here's our new support, here's our new resistance. So this is typically how the market work in a trending market. So we're gonna take some few examples for a downtrend as well. So the market is a downtrend, the market is making lower low and lower high. So here's our new support, here's our resistance. So we wait for the price to come to this our support and resistance zone before we sell. So let it just be a simple rules. Okay, so whenever the price comes to this your resistance zone, you sell, the market go to the downside. Here is your new support, here is your new resistance. the same rules. Whenever the market comes to your support and resistance, and then you sell the market. Here's your new support. Here's your new resistance. The same rules again. Whenever the market comes to this your area of value, you sell. So here's your new support. Here's your new resistance. So this is the best way to be trading support and resistance because it gives you a low risk to reward ratio, a low entry risk. If you don't know what is a low risk to reward ratio, check my previous video upload. We explain how to do a proper position sizing and how to use the proper risk management. I'll be dropping a new video as well about risk management and trading psychology. So stay tuned on the channel for more. So now let's take some few example again as well. So we all know that the market will not be going down for a very long period of time. We know the market will not be going up for a very long period of time. So now we're going to be explaining how to identify when there is a change of market direction. So let me remove all these drawing tools so we can get the exact clue of how to read the support and resistance and how to know when the market have changed direction, because this is the question I've been asking all the time. Hey, Steve, how will you know that the market have changed direction? How will you know that we are supposed to be buying? I'm not supposed to be buying. How will you know that we are supposed to be selling? I'm not supposed to be selling. So vice versa. Okay. So on a typical area, we know that whenever the markets reach or react to this level, we need to patiently wait for a good confirmation before we can be buying, before we can be selling. So now I'm going to show you a simple rules, a simple entry technique. Okay, whereby you can be using in your trading. So now, let's first start with how will you know that the market have changed direction. So now we know that when the market is in the uptrend, the market is making higher highs and higher lows. When the market is in the uptrend, okay, so the market keep on making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, and higher lows. Of course, are we in an uptrend? Yes, definitely we're in an uptrend because here is our support, and then here is our resistance. Okay, for this, here is our support. Here's our resistance for this area, is our support. Here's our resistance for this area, is our support. Here's our resistance here. Same thing go, here's our support. Here's our resistance, here's our support. Here's our resistance. So these were market that have been trending for a very long period of time. As you can see, the market is in a good trend move. So here is our support, here is our resistance. So now, like I mentioned previously, we are waiting for the market to reverse. Okay. So whenever price come and break below this previous level, we need to know that it's automatically the trend have changed. Okay, so meaning we don't want to be buying this market because the market already break below the previous support level. So we only want to be selling this kind of market direction. So if you are buying, you need to exit your buy trade, or you don't want to be buying if you're not entered the trade. So we wait for the pullback. When the market come into this previous support, which is now acting as our resistance, when the market come down, and then we start to sell. Automatically the trend have changed. So you're going to be on new support, you're going to be on new resistance in the downtrend. Because why? The market have changed from uptrend to downtrend. So we wait again for the previous level, and the market come down. Here is my new support, here is my new resistance. So the same rules again. Here's my new support, my new resistance. Remember, we only want to be selling when the market is in our support and resistance zone. Here's my new support, here is my new resistance. So the same rules again. Something have happened, the trend have changed. Why? Because the price have break above the previous support level. So I no longer want to be selling again. Now I want to be buying because the trend have changed. So the market will keep on going up. When the market made this 1, 2, 3 move, identify my new support, my new resistance. When the market pull back, the same rules. My new support, my new resistance. So this is just the phase of the market. The market will keep on going down, keep on going up, keep on coming down. So this is exactly how to read a support and resistance. It's a very, 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 very important tool in our trading. We need to pay attention to it, and we need to always make sure we need to know how to understand the support and resistance, or else we don't want to find ourselves buying the market we're supposed to be selling, and we don't want to find ourselves selling the market we're supposed to be buying. So I hope this video helped. I wish you all a happy trading. Stay tuned for more videos on the channel. Thank you all so much.